remediation company has come in, taken everything. It's kind of coming back in dribs and drabs. That's posing a challenge for us today. But what we're doing is just trying to put everything back the best we possibly can, and it's my job to make it look good. Ah! It's a miracle. Hey, how are you? We are ready for these rugs.
5, 7.
Okay, yep,
Chase.
ready for that. And then master bedroom. We have a rug for a master bedroom. I love this rug I found for the master bedroom. It's just a super style, geometric, really cool. Obviously, this is the length. I think the vents are on the sides. I want it to feel expansive in here, but you want to make sure when you're deciding the size of a rug, you need to allow for the vents, make sure that that air is still flowing. Let's make it even. Can you notch that out around that vent?
Yeah.
Because we won't see it. If you have a vent that you're not gonna see and a piece of furniture is covering it, it's totally fine to just notch it out and go around the vent.
I'm working in the master bedroom, he's working upstairs.
Oh, perfect. Okay, awesome, awesome, thank you. So we got one rug, that's a good news. But we're still trying to really put this room back together. But it's sort of a chicken or an egg thing. We have to wait for the drapery guy to finish putting up all the draperies. And you can't really style things and make things look pretty until you move all the furniture and have it set in place. So we're sort of burning daylight here. This is taking a lot longer than we thought. This morning, this master bedroom was a total disaster, but we've really pulled it together, and adding the rug with this fun geometric pattern really made all the difference. I love the huge mirror. It almost feels like a really cool, chic boutique hotel. I love the white bedding. It's really airy, it's nice and open, and I also really love the new window treatments. That's made a big difference and helped kind of ground the windows. The chair and the seating area are great, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful space to spend a weekend in. I think my clients are going to be thrilled with the turnout. A bed will eventually be going here. Eventually. Not gonna even be able to get into the closet. Just a hair. Not quite that much. Ah! I love my job.